Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Don't let the recent changes catch you off guard on your next vacation, and come aboard with us in today's episode as we uncover the 5 things you're not prepared for on Princess Cruises. First up on the list takes us to the comfort of our cabins. You know that lovely morning feeling when you're nestled in your cozy cruise bed, dreaming of breakfast magically appearing at your door. Well, start pinching those pennies, because now, if you dial up for a midnight snack or a late lunch, brace yourself for a $5 delivery fee per order. And while our Plus and Premier package cruisers can bask in fee-free luxury, the rest of us might just have to think twice before dialing. It's a new age, where room service might just come with a side dish of room charges. Speaking of service, let's set our sights on OceanNow. This onboard service, promising on-demand delivery anywhere on the ship, sounds almost too good to be true. But, like many luxuries, it comes with a caveat. There's a one-time activation fee of $14.99 per guest, per cruise. It might seem like a drop in the ocean, but for standard fare passengers, it's an added expense. Now, if you opted for the Plus or Premier packages, this is included in your fare, and you can sail smoothly past this fee. Shifting our gaze to the culinary side, let's talk about the pies at Alfredo's and Gigi's.
Order up!
Once a savory treat that was baked into your fare, these pizzas now have an added cost kneaded in. It's a change that has left many passengers with a sour taste, especially when you consider that dining here was once a complimentary delight. However, if you're craving a slice without the price, Pizza at Slices on the pool deck still has your back, or should I say, your belly. Continuing our culinary journey, several casual dining venues, including the likes of Vines and Salty Dog Gastropub, are introducing 3-course, fixed-price menus. While it might sound like a gourmet treat, standard fare passengers will see a $14.99 charge on their bill. It's like they're serving a side of sticker shock. But hey, if you're a Plus or Premier package guest, you can dine without the financial wine. It's a bitter pill for many, especially when you recall the all-inclusive charm that cruising once promised. Now, with our appetites covered, let's switch gears and talk about the first steps of your cruise adventure, the check-in process. Starting your cruise should be as easy as deciding between a mojito or a margarita, right? Well, Princess Cruises' OceanReady process had that idea, but there's been a plot twist. To speed through with the Green Lane check-in, you'll need the Plus or Premier package, and here's the kicker, a U.S. address. Everyone else, you're in the Blue Lane, sipping your waiting cocktail. So, as you decide on that swimwear, also check how you'll be diving into the waiting line during your cruise check-in experience. And there you have it, the 5 pivotal changes aboard Princess Cruises that might just rock the boat on your next cruise vacation. Now it's your turn. What change surprised you the most? And for those seasoned sailors, any tips to share with the community? Let us know in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.